Welcome to Simple Tech Tips. Today we'll learn how to automatically hide this taskbar. So you may want more screen here, like you want to be able to see everything and you don't want this. So right click here, go to the taskbar settings. Once you go there, you have to scroll down and click here, taskbar behaviors. This is super easy. Right now it is turned off. Turn on this automatically hide the taskbar thing. Say it's gone now. If you move your mouse it will pop up, and if you move your mouse again it will go away. So this is super easy, right? And if you want it to be just like the way it was before, you can just toggle it off and it won't be hidden anymore, it will be here. So this is how you automatically hide the taskbar. If you like the video, please subscribe to our channel. Thanks a lot.